Hello friends, welcome to Easy Kids Draw.
Today we're gonna draw the Christmas tree with coloring step by step, so let's start it. I'm drawing the Christmas tree, and it's the first time of drawing tree. See the video till end to learn all about Christmas tree drawing. It's time for making some design. It's star at the head of tree. It's time for coloring. I'm coloring it different colors. Wow, it's making so wonderful. Brown color.